Don't ruin your nails opening contact lens vials. Here's how I open contact lens vials without damaging my nails. Place a piece of tissue between your fingers and the vial. Then use the tissue to peel back the aluminum cover from the open tab. The tissue gives you a better grip so you can peel back the aluminum cover without your nails touching the metal. Once the aluminum cover is removed, take out the rubber stopper and remove the lenses. Before wearing them, soak the lenses in fresh contact lens solution for at least 6 hours. Do you know why? Leave your guess in the comments below.